So let's continue with fifth ayah. Sorry, there was a break in the recording. So let's continue with the fifth ayah. And in previous ayah, Maliki Yawmiddin, we saw that Maliki Yawmiddin is coming for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Isme Jalala, in the second ayah. Now, the central ayah, which is the central idea of the surah, this very important surah, Surah Fatiha. So, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. This is the central ayah, and not only for the Surah Fatiha, but also very important ayah for the whole Quran. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Iyyaka, in Iyyaka, this ka is damir muttasil, and Iya is not a meaningful word. Iya is coming as a placeholder for ka. Because damir muttasil cannot come in the very beginning of the sentence, so that's why there is a placeholder over here, Iya over here. And there is a reason why this damir muttasil is coming in the very beginning. So Iyaka, this ka is damir muttasil, and it's fi mahalli nasb, in the status of nasb. Why? Because it's a maf'ul bihi, and it is muqaddam, prefixed. Muqaddam, it's coming before actual fi'l. The object of the fi'l is coming in the very beginning of the sentence, which is not usual, which is unusual in the Arabic grammar. So we are going to see why it's coming muqaddam. It's prefixed over here. Then na'budu is actual fi'l, and it's a present tense fi'l, fi'l mudari. Na'budu means we worship. Na'budu, this noon is saying, is telling us that the doer is we, and abada, worship. So na'budu, we worship. And then with waw, another sentence. Waw is harf ataf, and it's connecting to another sentence. Iyyaka nasta'in. Iyaka, the same grammatical analysis. Ka is the damir muttasil, iya is placeholder, and nasta'inu is present tense, regular form, rafa form, and it means we ask for help. So iyyaka nasta'in, iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone do we worship, and you alone do we ask for help. You alone do we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Alone, this word, this word alone, we don't see any word in the ayah for alone. And the meaning of alone or exclusivity is there because this zamir muttasil was prefixed. Like zamir muttasil came before the actual fi'l. That's why in the meaning we have alone. And what is this? Like, this is the explanation for that. Notice that the maf'ul is appearing before the fi'l. This gives the meaning of exclusivity. When the maf'ulun bihi comes before the fi'l, then sometimes it gives the meaning of exclusivity. Notice how this is captured in translation. Also notice that when the maf'ul bihi muqaddam is a pronoun, you will find the iya placeholder. So this is the explanation of this alone in the translation, the word alone in the translation. And then we let's move on to the word-to-word analysis. And over here, na'budu and nasta'inu are two important focus word of main focus, two words of main focus, na'budu and nasta'inu. Na'budu is the root letters are ain, ba, and dal for na'budu, and ain, ba, and dal. Abada ya'budu. It's bab nasara, and it means to serve, to worship, to adore, to venerate, to idolize, to deify. So this is the over here. It in the form it is used. Na'budu. It's a first form, first family. Sulasi mujarrad. So this is the first meaning. Meaning of the first family. And then when we you see this Roman number 2, then this is another family. We need to see we need to first notice which family it is coming in the ayah of Quran that we are studying, in which family it is coming. If it's coming as in family 1, Sulasi Mujarrad, then we should look at the meaning of the same family. So these are the meaning of the from the same family. To serve, to worship, to adore, to venerate, to idolize, to deify. And the second word, which is awana, nasta'inu. In nasta'inu, actual the three-letter root word is awana. Because this is not the first family, this is not from Sulasi Mujarrad. It is coming from the 10th family, which is Bab Istifal. So Bab Istifal, we have ist in the beginning, and then the root letters. Ist, Hamza, Sin, and Ta in the very beginning, and then the root letters come in this family, the 10th family, which is Bab Istifal. So we are not going to see the meaning in other family. We are going to look for the meaning in this Bab, the 10th family. So awana, when it comes through this family, ist family or Bab Istifal, then it means to ask or call for or to ask for help, to ask or to call for help. Sometimes it comes with the sala of ba, and sometimes Allah. Allah is against, like to ask help against someone when it comes with Allah. We are not going into detail of these, but just look at this the meaning, to ask for help or to call for help. Isti'ana is the masdar, the idea or the name of the action. Isti'ana is seeking for isti'anatan. Actually, isti'anatan is the masdar. Isti'anatan. So seeking help or calling for help. So these are the meaning of two important, the core focused words, two words in this ayah, the 5th ayah. So overall, the meaning is Iyyaka na'budu, you are only you, or you alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. So this is the word-to-word analysis and study of the ayah, and then let's see what what lessons we can derive from, what practical lessons we can derive from this ayah.